Today we are going to learn about the engineering process. Engineering is basically just making something. It's like building, it's like a project. It's just whenever you build something. And it starts off like this. You ask a question as to what problem needs to be solved. Is there a problem that needs to be solved? And then after you ask that question, you imagine a solution to it. You think in your head, what could the possible solutions to this problem be? Then, once you come up with a possible solution, you design it. You draw pictures of it, you come up with a schematic of it, think about how it would be. Then you build that, then you test it out. And you see if it works. If it doesn't, you have to go back to the previous steps and change things, do things like this, do things like that. And then after you've tested it and you've built it to the way you want, you improve upon it and you make it better. And this works for any sort of engineering process, because this is the engineering process. If you are using your Legos and you think to yourself, well, my Lego family needs a Lego apartment building or a Lego house, then you just ask the question and you came up with something that needed to be fixed. The fact that your Lego family needed a house. And then you come up with a design of the house. You come up with what it would possibly look like to fit the needs of the family. And then you build it. And then you test it out, see if it works. And then you improve upon that. Another example is the thermos. You know what a thermos is? A thermos is like a water bottle that keeps water cold. And somebody back in the past was using their big brain and asked, how can I keep water cold? And they asked that question and then they imagined a solution. They thought to themselves, well, what if I create a little vacuum between the water and the air so that the air can't get the water hot? And then they built it, then they tested it out, and then they just kept improving and kept improving. So this is really useful because people can come up with all sorts of needs that need to be fixed, and they can keep building and engineering, and it makes everything better, so much better. So at home, come up with some questions about needs that need to be fixed, and imagine solutions to them. Draw them out, make the idea on a piece of paper, then try to build those things, those solutions, and see where they can be improved upon. Sounds cool.